Morning, Washington State gets an F for efforts to address lead in school drinking water.
Elise Haas is live with details on where this rating came from and what state officials have done so far to try and fix the ongoing problem. Elise?
Ken and Jenny, this is not the first time Washington has received a failing grade. Back in 2017, they also got an F for this very same issue of lead in the drinking water at schools. And pediatricians say there is no safe level of lead for children. So doctors and researchers say that Washington needs strong enough policies to get the lead out of waters in schools and preschools. Now, according to a new national research report, Environment Washington Research and Policy Center and Washburn Foundation are the organizations who are criticizing the state for their lack of effort to fix the lead in the drinking water in schools. So there was some legislative effort. House Bill 1860 would have required schools to notify parents when tests detected lead levels and to fix water outlets where lead levels were high. Unfortunately, it did not advance out of the Education Committee before cutoff. But legislators are looking into including funding for action on lead in schools and drinking water in the state budget. So a few of the top suggestions from these public health groups include providing funding to replace fountains and faucets at schools, adopting a 1 part per billion standard for lead in schools and drinking water, requiring annual testing for all water used for drinking and cooking for students, and then disclosing all of that information about lead in water for those parents to be able to see. Now, this is just some of the suggestions. It is a much longer list that these public health groups are saying that Washington needs to do. And if you want to take a look at their full report, we'll be sure to have that for you at KOIN.com. Reporting live, Elise Haas, KOIN 6 News.